I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by powering the Jupiter 125 to accessory mode and verifying the battery is healthy. This prevents disconnects during pairing. Once done, open the Smartxonnect app, sign in, and grant Bluetooth and location permissions so the app can discover the module. Make sure no other Bluetooth device is actively paired. Move them away. Then tap Add Vehicle, choose Jupiter 125, and follow the on-screen scan. You should see the bike's module ID within seconds. Once paired, you'll likely be prompted to update firmware. Accept it and keep the phone and bike powered, because interrupting this step corrupts the module. After update, set a secure PIN and name the device so it's identifiable. Make sure GPS and geofence are configured for accurate tracking. Calibrate the IMU and speedometer inputs following on-screen instructions so triggers and alerts behave correctly. Finally, enable push notifications and test one alert to confirm communication. Finish by exercising each feature. Lock and unlock remotely, trigger the alarm, and check the immobilizer response. Then start a short ride to confirm GPS position, trip logging, and speed readout. Make sure alerts arrive on your phone. If something goes wrong, first reboot your phone and the bike module, then clear the phone's Bluetooth cache and app data if needed. Finally, retry pairing and firmware update. This sequence resolves most connection and discovery failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.